Cache le tout.
He's jumping, yeah. You're doing so good. Yeah, sweet puppy.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your mom's house.
Oh, no way! Oh, come on.
You can't gauge the truth, bro.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your mom's house.
Oh, come on. He got you. I can't.
You can't gauge the truth, bro.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your girlfriend's house.
That was good. That was
You can't gauge the truth, bro.
Sir, where do you come from in America?
I got married here. I'm an American citizen.
Do you have a passport?
Passport? No, officer. I just use my charm for border crossings. Customs officers call it a certified wrist card.
Do you have a sponsor in America?
Yeah, real one. Not a desperate woman you tricked like yours.
I didn't trick anyone.
You showed her Photoshop pictures from 10 years ago. She expected a prince from overseas, but got a blog with a passport.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Now you listen here, Featherbrain. I don't know who taught you that filthy mouth, but you will not shout it at Mrs. Whitaker every morning. Do you hear me?
Fuck you.
Oh, don't you start.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck
Mercy me, such language. You are impossible.
No, babe, don't give him more. Chocolate isn't good for puppies.